Okay guys, back here, and part 2 of the video series, my Christmas stocking gifts, I guess. Yeah, take a look at this thing. It's, haven't opened this up yet, but it's called the Pocket Chainsaw. 36 inch. Sportsman camouflage. Something in Spanish. Well, pocket, I don't know. Alright. Pocket chainsaw. If you can see that picture, the guy's holding this tooth thing here. So yeah, this will also go on the back of my Bronco. And anyways, looks like some. What's that? Yeah, it's like a free. What is it? Like a fire starter? Huh. Oh, what's up on this side here? So I whacked my finger the other day with a hammer. So jacked. Look at that. I almost took the tip of my finger off. Okay. Cool. Look at that.
Would you say that?
Yeah, look at that thing.
Wow.
Wow. It's a pocket chainsaw.
A pocket.
Thank you, Mama.
You said thank you, Mama.
Yeah, so it's like a little really thin, tiny little chainsaw blade.
That Mama's.
I guess you just go back and forth and you cut with it, you know, in your hands. Hold your hands like the picture.
Mama's ring.
Yep, cool.
What? Mama's ring.
Yep. All right.
What? Mama's ring.
Hey, go back and go play your toys. Your new toys. Your millions of new toys you got. Okay, that's pretty cool, huh? I'm guessing this is a. I don't know what this specifically what this is, what it came with, but I'm assuming it's like a fire starter. Like you just scratch it, you know. Let's see. Let's say with. Okay, yeah. So. Okay, cool, awesome. That's it. Just goes back in there, and this will also go in the back of my Bronco. So, cool. So my kid's whacking my tripod here. All right, cool guys, awesome.